So these are the Sakai Kyuba knives from Oishya. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Judy Joo and I'm super excited because I'm with the lovely ladies and I'm so excited to work with women-owned businesses, let me just tell you, who are making knives. I mean, how many like badass bitches, can I say that, make knives, okay? So these are the Sakai Kyuba set. And they're made from Osaka, and Sakai is a small little town in Osaka, and there's like a 600-year tradition of making knives there. The steel is very good, the water is very good, and the artisans that are there have been doing this for centuries. They live, breathe, die, and eat knives, okay? So I have been so lucky to be working with these lovely ladies. Isn't this cool? Look, magnetic, and it sticks, it's beautiful, okay? This is the chef's knife. Very cool. This is the vegetable knife. I use this one the most, I would have to say, for more things than just vegetables. Don't tell anybody. And then this is the paring knife, and they come in these beautiful colors. Absolutely love it. So pretty. And you can literally just slice through things. It is like the weight of the knife is almost like enough on its own to get through, to just rip through anything. I mean, you can see I'm just going through this scallion spring onion lightning speed, and it is so razor sharp. I mean, this is a sexy knife, and even sexier that it's made by women, don't you think? So this, I mean, look at this, isn't this a sexy ass knife? And it's even sexier that it's made by a female owned and led company. Close-up shots.